So let's start by creating a new blank document. Just choose File, New, Document, Control-N or Command-N on the Macintosh, and we'll just accept the default preset here, which is a simple letter document with half-inch margins. You've seen this before, nothing special here. Just go ahead and click OK. So here we have our document. Now later in the process, let's say you'd like to change the margins. It might seem pretty obvious. You could go to the File menu and choose Document Setup, and this dialog box looks very familiar. It's basically the new document dialog box. However, you see here that we can change the number of pages, the page size. If we enable more options, we can control bleed and slug, but there's no way to change the margins. All you have to do is, instead of doing it here, go ahead and click Cancel, actually go up to the Layout menu, and inside the Layout menu, choose Margins and Columns. This is how you adjust margins after you've already created the document. So choose this command, and here, let's say we'll change the margins from 1/2 inch to 1/4 inch. I'll make sure that the sync icon is depressed, and that way all 4 fields will have the same margin. Now before we click OK, we'll actually change the number of columns as well, because we're going to see how the world of columns and ruler guides and grids all intersect. So in this case, make sure Preview is turned on so we can see the changes that we're making, and we'll add 1, 2, 3 columns. By default, this document had 1 column, essentially just one large text area. I bumped that up to 3. We can see the results down here. I'll leave the gutter. This value right here is equal to 1 pica, and click OK.